Hello guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to build a computer. My style. You ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Okay, so first of all, gotta get your computer tower ready. And then, what you gotta do is, you know, nuts and bolts? What you gotta do is you gotta hammer them. So ready, set. Okay, and then that's done. We gotta get this one. Holy shite. Okay, so you're back up on there. Alright, and then we gotta get the disc player. That's in. We got this. And then what we have to do is put some little fuse on it. That went flying. Okay. Then after that, we gotta get ourselves a cool little thingy, like a cooler. Okay, and after that, recording. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope my tips helped you. Have a good day. That's Sheen out.